In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your webhook secret in Stripe. First, make sure you're logged into your Stripe account. Then head over to your Stripe dashboard homepage. This is the main landing area where you can see your balance, recent activity, and an overview of your payments. We're going to move away from this overview and into the developer tools because that's where webhooks live. Look to the bottom left corner of the dashboard. You'll see a menu item labeled Developers. Go ahead and click that. The Developers section is where Stripe keeps things like API keys, logs, and webhooks. So anytime you're integrating Stripe with your own application, you'll usually be working from here. Once you're in the Developers area, find and click on Webhooks. This will open the Webhooks page, where you can manage the connections between Stripe and your application. Webhooks are what Stripe uses to send event data to your backend, such as when a payment succeeds or a subscription is updated. On the webhooks page, you'll either see existing webhooks or have the option to create a new one. Click on the event or events you want this webhook to listen for. For example, you might choose payment-related events or account-related events, depending on what your application needs. Selecting the right events helps ensure you only receive the notifications that matter. Next, click into the destination name field and give this destination a clear, descriptive name. This is just for your own reference inside the Stripe dashboard, so choose something that makes it obvious what system or environment this webhook is for, such as production backend or test server. Now click into the endpoint URL field and paste or type the URL of your server endpoint that will receive these webhook events. This must be a publicly accessible URL that your application is listening on, ready to process post requests from Stripe. Then move to the description field and add a short description of the destination. You might mention what this endpoint does or which service it belongs to. This is particularly useful if you manage multiple webhooks or work in a team, as it keeps things organized and understandable later. When you're happy with the name, URL, and description, click on Create Destination. Stripe will create the webhook endpoint with the events you selected and the configuration you just entered. After the destination is created, look for a section labeled Signing Secret. This is where Stripe shows you the webhook secret key associated with this endpoint. You'll see the secret in a field along with buttons to regenerate it and to copy it to your clipboard. Use the copy button to safely copy this signing secret and paste it into your application's configuration, where your code will use it to verify that incoming webhook requests are genuinely from Stripe.